Part 2. Anyways, storage cut off because it's motherfucker right here. But look, man, like I said, man, these narcissists, they're together. They're freaking together. They're separated, whatever. Like, these motherfuckers have been separated for about 5 years, half a decade. These motherfuckers are freaking together. They're freaking together. They'll do anything in order to stop the truth from coming out. Because when I was with that bitch-ass nigga, that bitch-ass Negroid over there, guess what, nigga? Guess what? That bitch wasn't that aggressive with trying to get a hold of me. She wasn't knocking at the freaking door. But because I left that bitch-ass nigga, and he sees I left, and I've still been over here, and I've been paying for my own room every freaking day, they like, oh, he's serious. He ain't coming back. No, nigga, I ain't coming back. I'm not coming back, nigga. And if I do think about it, it's for something else, motherfucker. But look, but y'all just freaking losers. And it's kind of like, with the narcissist, you can't just do one. You got to let them freaking unleash. You got to let them have it all. And when it's all, it goes a certain way. We going to leave it like that. You hear me? So freak these motherfuckers over here. And that bitch calling my freaking, this number right here, the freaking, the hotel phone number, ho. Bitch doing that because she can't come to this door because I done had to set boundaries. And narcissists don't like boundaries. When you set boundaries, I called the police when I saw who knocked on the door, and it cracked through. And it cracked the door open. She tried to barge her body actually in, banging on the door, banging on the glass window. But only showing the part, the police, when she's knocking on it, she just knocked on it. So I don't want her regard. I don't give a frick who it is. If I said I want him here, remove him. Oh, she just wants to talk. It's been some time. Man, frick, I told the cop that she raped me. He was like, he act like I didn't hear. Oh, it's just this time. Oh, it's been a long time. He could care less. Because I'm going to tell you the truth, nobody don't like it. But that's European culture. That lot of rape, the molestation, they okay with that. It's more prominent in their families and whatnot. And as these foreigners and these invaders invaded our land, our American land, my American continent, they passed their toxicities over here. Motherfucker, I'm not with that. This bum bitch, who does that? An evil bitch want to sit there and call like freaking that, and then be like, oh, sounds high or sounds like that. I'm like, what? Couldn't even make out what this bitch said. Hi. I said, hello. I said, hello. Hi, I wanted to talk to you. I'm like, I don't want to talk. I don't want to deal with this bitch. The narcissist knows that. So if you see the narcissist is separate or whatever, they're still together. I mean, they're together because, one, he's a little begging ass boy. Never been a stand-up man. As much crap as this motherfucker talks about his wife, I almost said ex-wife, but they're still married. Still married. This Negro is the first one to go beg for her like a little bitch. He just needed a place to stay. All he did is lay the trifling ass in freaking bed and be a truck driver. Go to work, a truck. That's it. Go and cut the game on, eat, poop, and sleep. That's it. But you know what? There's a lot of couples like that. Motherfuckers be talking about, oh, they've been married for 20 years. Shut the frick up. Y'all motherfuckers look awful. Both of y'all out of shape. Y'all don't even look right together. Y'all ain't together really. I don't mean anything. But look at this. The narcissist. I don't know if this video is going to cut out shortly. If it does, I don't think I'm going to make another part. I don't know if I do. Probably not. Still links in the description. But I still got to express to y'all the narcissists are together. This is a hoovering tactic. It's a hoovering tactic. Look how desperate they are. Bitch want to talk. made it very clear. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk to her husband. I'm going to talk to them. These are losers. They have no life whatsoever, y'all. They have no life. No life at all. Zero. Zero, my friend. Zero. They're ready to go and disrupt and disturb your life. You know that? You know that, bro? And this is crazy. As I'm getting stuff done today, as I'm making phone calls today, so I can get the frick up out of here. And I'm not just talking about out of here. I'm talking about we's out of here. You know, that type of stuff. You hear me? They the motherfuckers. They know. They know. It's like as you get stronger, they try to put hoovers. I don't have any sense in order to go. No feeling that, oh, I want to go back. I'm not going back. They know that. There's never going to be back. I'm living my life. Why would a bitch who wrote a letter saying that, oh, please do not beat me. Please do not harass me. Please do not hit me. Please do not. But she did everything she said she was doing to me. If that was the case, bitch, what you said, why do you want to be around me, ho? Why do you want to be around me? That don't make a lick of sense, a bit of sense. F that bitch and F that bitch over there. I don't go frick by none of these Negroids. Freaking losers. Narcissist is a freaking loser. Don't ever call these motherfuckers anything above that. Freaking losers. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking very well adult. I had to go faster than I wanted to. And you know that too. If you watching this, you know that too with these narcissists. We have to go up a lot faster than what they do. Even if they made us the youngest and even if they paid for things. We still had to go up a lot faster. Because I think a lot of times people said the narcissists act like children, but I mean, some people think that might be a little dish, but it's like they're completely irrational. Completely irrational. What type of smirking ass bitch? You know, she talking with her narcissist crew of chaos. Like, yeah, I called him and said, because narcissists don't have friends. They don't have friends. They may have other people who they clicked in with, but they don't have friends. Not people with a narcissist, they turn on each other in a dime. Just leave when narcissists are together, leave them be. Watch them turn on each other. That'd be a word of advice. But hey, yeah, like I said, you want to get a consultation, you can do that by sending us a DM on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration if you're not following us there, or you can email us at info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject consultation or coaching. Because the bitch don't have my number. The bitch don't have my number, so she called the house phone. And that bitch ass Negroid don't have my number. He never had my cell phone number. That motherfucker tried so hard to give me a cell phone. Tried so hard. I remember one time, I'm talking about my biological father. He came, he's like, I got out the shower. He came in, he's like, when I was in the shower, he knock on there and say, hey, come on, when you got ready or something. And I'm like, what the frick? So I think I got out the shower, I'm still in the shower. As soon as I opened up the door, he's like, hey, I got something for you. And it was a phone. I'm like, what the frick? So right there, I'm like, man, what the frick? I think I left the phone where it was at. Or something, or moved it. So something was on the bed or something. Then I think I came back or something, and he moved it on my desk in front of where I do my work at. So I'm like, the frick, this nigga want me to have a phone so freaking bad? And I know what it was because he electronically abused me, along with his wife tracking me through other states and my location. And she even told me that he told her to turn the location on so she could find me and harass me. But that bitch nigga won't stand up and say nothing about that. Oh, she's just trying to separate us. Shut up, you bitch ass nigga. I was never with y'all. I'm separate from y'all, faggots. Puss ass motherfuckers. Just freaking losers. But yeah, I know what to do. Link in the description too if y'all want to start a business and get a business. especially in this lockdown, quarantine, and all that garbage. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share this with whoever needs this. This is important information. People don't talk about it. People don't have any counsel. They don't know what to do. Anyways, I'm gonna end this. Peace, love, and light.